there's a way to download this PDF, and I want to show you that. Real quick. It's homepage. Yes, you click on this, you download your PDF, summary of application. You have to click on this to download your PDF, and that's it. So now I'm going to delete this application, and I'm going to show you that those born maybe 2001 will not be able to apply. So let's come here. So if I choose December 31, the last day of 2001, and I click on save, and I come here, home page, and I click on apply. Let's see, will this let me? Unfortunately. So it's not just about being 21 years of age, it's about the year exactly. That is, if you were born in 2001, unfortunately, that counts as 22 already. You cannot apply for a bachelor's. But if you are born in 2002 upward, then you can apply for this. Let's do the same thing for masters. The minimum requirement for masters is 30. So 2023 minus 30, that is what, 1993. So that means if you were born 1993 or any time after, you can apply. Is what, if you were born in 2002 or any year after, you can apply for undergraduate. 2023 minus 35, 1988 or any date after that, you can apply for PhD. So that's unfortunate, and I totally understand. I also read in the comment section yesterday, someone was very sad because they couldn't apply. I understand, but don't worry, this is not the last scholarship. There are so many other scholarships which I will make videos on this year, hopefully. Okay guys, so that sums it up. I want to click on masters. I want to change my personal information, select 1993, and I choose January 1, which is any dates okay to apply. But before I apply for masters, I have to come here to fill in education information and click on bachelor's degree. Then I fill in the details. See my diploma right here. Let's see, what certificate is my bachelor's diploma. I click on save. Okay, so I come here to home page, master's degree right here, and I can click on apply, accept, and guess what, it lets me in. Yes, everything is fine. I uploaded my bachelor's degree. Now let's go back to home page. Let's delete this application because I want to make some changes in the education section. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Yes. I come here, I go to education information, and I delete my high school details. Let's say delete. Yes. Can I apply for masters? Let's quickly check. Home page, masters, apply. You must add your high school information, unfortunately. Add now. So I come here, I click on high school, and that's it. Okay, let's check it again in masters. Click on apply, accept, and then yeah, that's good. I delete this. I come here, I want to apply for PhD. I click on PhD and I click on apply. Add now. You have to add your undergraduate, which is this, and postgraduate I have to add my masters. So country, please select. Yes, now I have to fill in these details, right? Thesis subject, study abroad. Save. Oh yes, we've done our masters. We come here, home page, we click on PhD, we click on apply, accept, and it's off. Okay, so many reasons, right? Now this is one problem we may face, right? It's not the citizenship, I believe. I think it is because we're still continuing the program. So I'm going to come to education information, and let's see, master's degree. I click on graduate. I click on graduation date, which is 2023. I click on January, and I click on January 7. Yeah, so maybe that's why 00. Choose a diploma. Now let's go. Let's see. Let us go. Let's see. Come on. Haha, you got it right. Yeah, that's it. They want you to graduate before they accept you for the scholarship. Yeah, and it's because I chose November. Yeah, so that's interesting. So many ups and downs about this application, but don't be worried when you get such huge error messages. What if I had chosen continuing? Education, if I choose okay, I have to delete this first. So stressful. I'll go to education information. I have to delete this, edit this. I'm still continuing, man. And I will graduate. I'll graduate in 2023. I'll graduate in, let's see, before I come to Turkey, I'll graduate in July. Yeah. So I want to do my PhD. Yeah. You should let me, right? Of course, you should let me do that. Let's see. Let's go to home page. We'll click on apply, accept. Let me. Oh my God, it doesn't let you. That's unfortunate. Yeah, so we come to my applications and we see we've not submitted anything. Homepage, everything is right here. Can we apply for bachelor's? Apply. It will not let us because you filled in our master's and PhD degree. They don't let you go back. You can only go further. All right, guys, we have come to the end of our application tutorial. I hope this was helpful. It wasn't easy making this, I'm sure, but anyways, we have gone through the basics of the portal, from registration to filling in the basic details, personal information, family information, contact info, education information, academic activities. Yeah, if you come to academic activities, what do we have here? If you are a PhD or master's applicant, you are going to see this. You have to fill in your research proposal. That is the last thing I'm going to show you. Right here, you come here, you click on PhD, you click on apply, you click on I accept. Let's see, and then you will see that you have to fill in your where is it. Once you accept this right here and you click on letter of intent, yeah, you see that you have to fill all this and it cannot be left empty. Okay, guys, I think that sums it up for our tutorial video. I hope this was beneficial. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.